Hello students, today we will start the 10th standard second polynomial chapter of maths. Okay, the standard form of polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the type of quadratic equation. There are different types of polynomials. First, linear polynomial. First, x plus b is equal to 0. This is because here degree is equal to 1. Second, quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Degree is equal to 2. Then cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Here the degree is 3. Therefore it is a cubic polynomial. Okay. Then by quadratic polynomial, ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0. The degree is equal to 4. These are the different types of polynomials you have to identify. But in 10th standard, in first exercise, you are only to solve this type of equation, means quadratic equation. First, second type is ax square plus bx is equal to 0. Here c is equal to क्या है 0. Then third type is ax square minus c is equal to 0. Means here b is equal to क्या है 0. Okay. By this type of polynomial is solved by only middle term splitting. Okay. You have to find out the values of x is equal to alpha. Second value of x is called as a beta. Okay. Now this type of second type. In this type of quadratic equation, you have to take out the common from the given equation. X taken out common, what will remain here? Ax plus b is equal to 0. Now I will solve this one, so I will get x is equal to 0 or ax plus b is equal to 0 means ax is equal to minus b. b को ट्रांसफर कर दिया तो x is equal to minus b by a. Means alpha is always 0 in this type of problem and beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay. Now we will go to the third type of the problem. Type ax square minus c is equal to 0. That is ax square is equal to c. Transfer c to that side. Now I will transfer a to that side, that is equal to c upon a. Okay. Now I will take the square root on both sides. So x is equal to plus minus under root of c C upon A. Okay, this is the equation, means alpha is equal to plus under root of C upon A and beta is equal to minus under root of C upon A. If you understand this three types, then the first exercise is very easy for the student. We are solving the problem now we are going to solve the different types of problems on this type of equations. First type is x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, in this is equal to f of x. Okay, now I will solve this problem by middle term splitting. Now I will multiply this by this. So what will come here? 8x square will come here. Now I will split this 8x square as 4x and 2x. Now out of this 4x is the greatest factor and the sign of middle term is minus. Therefore I will put the minus sign to the greater number and plus sign to the smaller number. This is the rule. This is the easiest way. This sign is assigned to the greatest factor. Okay. Now I will write down this as x square minus 4x plus 2x. Okay. Plus minus 8. Now I will pair these two terms as a one pair and this as a second pair. Now I will take out the common from this. X will take out common. So what will I will get? X minus 4. Okay. Now from this I can take out 2. Again the bracket will come to be x minus 4. The bracket must be क्या होना चाहिए? Same होना चाहिए. Otherwise your factors are wrong. Now x minus 4 is the common factor and x plus 2 is equal to. Okay. Now my alpha is plus 4. Okay. Because here it is minus 4. Therefore you take here as a plus and beta is minus 2. Now I want to verify the relationship between this, means sum is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay. So I am substituting the values of alpha and beta here. Alpha is 4 and beta is minus 2. Okay. Now 4 plus minus is minus. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Now I will go to the RHS. What is the value of B? B value is minus 2. Therefore minus of minus 2 upon 1. A क्या है? 1 है. इसलिए minus minus is plus 2. Therefore 2. Hence second one, product is equal to alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. Okay. Alpha is 4, beta is minus 2. The answer will come to be minus 8. Then what is the value of C is minus 8. And what is the value of A is 1. Again my LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the relation is verified. Okay, understand? This type is the first type. This is the type 1 problem. Okay. Now we start now second type. This is 4u square plus 8u is equal to f of u. This is second type, that is equal to ax plus b is equal to ax square plus bx is equal to f of x. Now I will take out common from this. I can take out 4u as a common. Okay. Now what will remain in the bracket is u plus 2. Okay. Now 4u is equal to 0. That is u is equal to 0. means my alpha is u plus 2 is equal to 0, that is u is equal to minus 2. This is the value of beta. Now I will go to the alpha plus beta. Okay, is equal to minus b by a. Okay, alpha's value is 0, beta is minus 2. Means answer will be minus 2. Okay, what is the value of b? b is 8, means minus 8. 8 here you have 4. Okay, that is equal to minus 2. It's verify. Okay, 8 alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by 8 is now verified. Okay, now we will go to the another concept, another topic, that is alpha into beta is equal to alpha is 0 into minus 2. Okay, 0 into any number is 0. Here it is c upon a. This is the type of second type problem. Therefore c is 0. Constant number is not there. A is 4. 0 upon 4 is also 0. Therefore and verified. Okay. Okay. Now t square minus 15 is equal to f of t. Okay. Now this is the type of problem 3. A square minus c is equal to 0. Then in this problem b is equal to 0. Now I will transfer this 15 to that side. That is t square is equal to 15. Now I will take out the square root, taking square root on type 3. T square minus 15 is equal to t. This is the type of 3 type. Third type, that is of the form of a square minus c is equal to 0. In this case b is equal to 0. We will transfer c to that side and then take out the square root on both sides. So t square minus 15 is equal to f of t. T square is equal to 15. Taking square root on both sides. Okay. What I will get is p is equal to plus minus root 15. Okay. Therefore p is equal to plus root 15. p is equal to minus root 15. Okay. Or then this is the value of alpha is plus root 15. Beta is equal to minus root 15. Okay. Now I will verify the relation. First is sum. Sum is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay. My value of alpha is plus 15 root 15. Beta is minus root 15. So I will get here 0. Now here we know that b is 0 and a is 1. Coefficient of t square is 1. Again it is 0. Hence verified. This relation is verified. Okay. Now I am going to another relation, that is alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. What is the value of alpha is minus plus root 15 into minus root 15. It will come to be minus 15. Okay. Then what is the value of c? C is minus 15. And what is the value of a is 1. This is equal to minus 15. This is also verified the second, and the relation for this is verified. These are the 3 types in the first exercise of polynomial. Question number 1. We are going to question number 2. To form a quadratic polynomial, when the sum and the product is given, Now in this problem 1 by 4 is given as, we are given as a sum, and minus 1 is given as a product. Now we want to form a quadratic polynomial. The standard form of this is x square minus sum into x plus product. Okay. Now I will substitute the value of x square minus, what is my sum is 1 by 4, okay, into x plus product is my minus 1. Okay. Now here it is 4, so I will take LCM and multiply whole equation by 4. The what will come here, 1 by 4, write down outside, the 4x square minus 8 minus 4 is the equation we want to find out. This question carry only 1 mark in CBSE board. 1 mark question in CBSE. Okay. Now we will go to the another type of problem, that is sum is given in the form of root. Okay. This is my sum and this is given as a product. Okay. Now I will write down this in the standard form of equation. This is common form for all the problems. X square minus sum into x plus product. Now I will substitute the value x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Here now 3 is in the denominator, so I will multiply by 3 and write down 1 by 3 as a common. Now I will get 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is the type of quadratic polynomial when the sum is given. Third type, when sum is given to be 0 and product is given in root form. So I will substitute this in again the same equation, write down sum x plus product. Now I will substitute the value x square minus 0x plus root 5. Now this is the type of x square plus root 5. This is the type of third type. Okay.